everyone, and welcome back to UzX News on UzReport TV channel. Today in our edition you can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as the Polyethylene exchange market condition for 2021. At the beginning of our program we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UzX market and definitely the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UzX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell on the latest exchange news. In November 2021, the annual general meeting of the International Association of Exchanges of the Commonwealth of Independent States IAB CIS was held in Tashkent. The host of this event in 2021 was the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. The meeting was attended by managers and specialists of 18 largest CIS countries' exchanges. During the meeting, topical issues of further inter-exchange cooperation, current trends in the development of exchanges in the CIS countries, as well as promising projects in the field of exchange trading and financial markets were discussed. It's worth to mention that Uzbek Commodity Exchange has been a member of the IAB CIS since 2004. We're moving on to a separate segment of the UzX exchange trade market. Generally, we're going to look more properly at the Polyethylene market for 2021. In 2021, over 145,000 tons of polyethylene granules were sold through exchange trading to the domestic market, which is 45% more comparing to the same period of 2020. The average monthly volume of granules sold amounted to 13,000 tons, as we can see on the screen. The maximum sales volume falls on the month of October, which is 15,000 tons at the UzX exchange trade platform. Film and molding type of polyethylene are traditionally the leaders in the market structure. Their share was 39, as we can see on the diagram. The best performer here goes with the pellicle type, which goes with 39% of the UzX exchange trade platform. The second position here is taken by molding type of polyethylene granules, which goes with 20%, and third top leadership position here is taken by blowing type of polyethylene granules. It's worth to mention about pipe polyethylene granules, which goes with 16%, and definitely cable and rotational ones are going with 1% to each of the commodity assets. So let's go and look properly the next diagram, which is going to be the price dynamics for all polyethylene granules. The price trend for all marks of polyethylene for the period under review mainly showed an upward trend. But at the end of the year, there is a decrease in prices. Generally, if in the months of January prices amounted to 12.2 million sums per ton, as we can see on the diagram, then in the months of October, quotations increased to its maximum value, which goes up to its highest position, 17.7 million sums per ton, as we can see on the diagram, which is associated with an increase in demand for certain types of polyethylene granules. In the following months, the market saw a decline in prices. So in the months of December, as we can see on the diagram, the total quotation fell to 17.2 million sums per ton. The decline was about 2.6%. By the structure of polyethylene purchases by regions, the capital is in the lead. So to be exact, Tashkent and Tashkent region goes with 49% on consuming polyethylene at the UzReport exchange trade platform. Compared to 2020, the share of the Samarkand region increased from 5 to 17%, as we can see on the diagram. The share of the Fergana region decreased on the contrary from 20 to 10%, as we can see on the diagram. Also, it's worth to mention that 5% of the market is occupied by Namangan and definitely Andijan regions. The shares of other regions are relatively lower. So these were all comments for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on UzReport TV channel and definitely visit our website at www.uzax.uz. See you next week. Bye.